Everyone, so this is how we download TikTok videos without watermark. Yes, but before I continue, make sure you follow this account, like this video and then share the video. Don't forget to follow this account so you don't miss out when I drop new fresh great information you get. Yeah, so what you do is head over to your TikTok account.
Look at this.
Your TikTok app, then find the video you want to download.
Look at this.
Let us download this one. So what you do is tap here, this share button.
Isn't it great? I know, it's my dream.
Link.
Look at this.
So you're seeing that. Copy link. So you copy the video link.
Oh my
After
god.
copying the video link,
Isn't it great?
you head over to your browser. Just use Chrome. So when you go to Google Chrome, you search for synaptic.app. 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 So when you go to the synaptic.app website, you come and paste here your link. So we shall paste there our link and then you say download. So you think we have our video here. So do you want to download HD or SD? For downloading HD, you will have to watch an ad. So for this case, I'm going to download SD, standard definition. HD is high definition. Then SD is standard definition. Yes, so yeah, what to do is after hitting this page, download. So after clicking that button, our video will start downloading. So you see here, downloading file. So our file is already downloaded. So let us go and check if our file is downloaded. So we head over to not there. Where is our file? Video.
Look at this.
So our video is here.
Perfect.
So our video is down. So that's how we download TikTok videos without
Isn't it
watermark.
great?
You get that? So don't forget to follow this account, click the video and then share the video. Alright, thank you.